Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Shadow Gaming, guys. I'm your host Jack Sparrow. We're back into the new video of our channel, guys. Sorry guys for being inactive. Guys, the 2 days daily the video will be coming, guys. 2 days once. I'll be trying to bring you new content, guys. Guys, as you know, the new update has reached and it's been many days, guys. The new update, the box and the tickets has been removed, and the tokens, if you collect, it will go to the Brawl Pass, guys. From that you can claim the boxes, big boxes and mega boxes, guys, and you get so many things, lot of things. In this video, guys, I'll show how to progress your account, using the Brawl Pass, guys. You should buy the Brawl Pass. Does it is worth or not? That also I'll say, guys. And the end of the video, I'll say 3 ways to buy a Brawl Pass, guys. 3 ways how you can buy Brawl Pass, guys. So watch till the end to know the 3 ways how to get your Brawl Pass for free, guys. And guys, one more thing, guys, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon, guys. And you to receive our notification first, guys, and leave a comment below, guys. The giveaways, one of you today's video who comments first 2 members will get a giveaway, guys. 10 rupee giveaway, guys. I'll in the giveaway comment section leave your ID, guys. I'll give you a friend request, and I'll give you a friend request, guys. You accept, guys. You come, give your details, and I'll give you the redeem code for redeeming it in Play Store or Apple iStore, whatever you know, Google Play Store or iOS system, any system. Leave up there, guys. Let us start our video, guys. First, guys, what we should well know about Brawl Pass, guys. What is Brawl Pass? How it is useful to you? Let's go to the Brawl Pass, guys. It's season 1, guys. It's like Tara's Bazaar, guys. It's Tara's Bazaar, the season 1. It's a very good, guys. Brawl Pass, it's I know it, guys, before 6 months. How? Because in almost like every Supercell game except the ones which I don't play, every Supercell games which I play are having passes, guys. Like if you take Clash Royale, it's having also a pass. I don't know what his name. I didn't play Clash Royale from phone. Clash of Clans, I do play Clash of Clans now, guys. If you want to get Clash of Clans content on my channel, you could go back and see it, guys, in the video section. Clash of Clans, the gold pass and the silver pass, you have to buy the gold pass to get the exclusive skin. In Brawl Stars, it's different, guys. Now I'll say what you will get free. You will get a lot of mega boxes in free corner, guys. You will get a lot of mega boxes, big boxes, coins and power points in free itself, guys. If you don't want to top up, if you can't top up, guys, you just want to be free of top up and don't waste your money in game, means you could go with free corner. Free corner, guys, you could get so much lot of things, guys. Free corner gives you mega boxes too, guys. In the older time, it could not be useful for getting mega boxes, guys, because mega boxes you get on a trophy road, guys. If you see, my trophy is going to be over, guys. My trophy road is going to be over in 2 days, 3 days, maybe. Yeah, my trophy road is gonna be got over, guys. That time also I'll put a video, guys. I'm not sure, guys. I'm going to purchase the Brawl Pass. I'm not sure about it. If I purchase, I do put a video about the Brawl Pass purchasing, guys. It's definitely, I have to say, guys, Brawl Pass is one of the biggest updates ever we got. The tickets has been removed from the Brawl Stars, guys, and so many new updates are going to come, guys, still. And today we got an exclusive skin too, guys. Yesterday, the Rogue Mortis. It's kind of cool, guys, but it's worth, guys. But I do ask from Supercell, guys, keep a Mortis skin for 80 gems, guys. If it's 80 gems, I would definitely buy a Mortis skin, guys, because they're not easy to get, guys. spicy mic. It's cool, guys, but I don't have enough gems to buy. You about that, guys. No, bro, in the paid section, I have noted down how much things you will get, guys. In the paid section, you will get 6 big boxes, guys. Yeah, sorry, 6 mega boxes, guys. 6 mega boxes, yeah. 6 mega boxes. The free corner, you get more than that, guys. Like 14 mega boxes, I don't know. 14 mega boxes. And 10 big boxes you get, guys. In the paid corner, I'm saying the Brawl Pass paid corner. Then you get 1,300 coins, guys. And you get 1,050 power points with the exclusive brawler Gale, the new chromatic brawler at the 38th year with new pins, guys. Pins have came, guys. If you want to chat with your friend, I don't have any friend online now. If you go to say, and here one button will be, guys. See here, whatever brawler you have unlocked, you will get that brawler's pins. Now I unlocked all the trophy road brawlers. And the epic brawlers, mythic and legendary one, I should get with the chromatic brawler. But there's a lot of pins, guys. There's a lot of pins in Brawl Stars, guys. A lot. It has come with update with the last new exclusive Merchant Gale skin, guys. Merchant Gale skin, it's a very good skin, guys. I have not played, but I have played it in my other account, guys. Not my account, my cousin brother's account. I have played it. He did buy the Brawl Pass and he did buy the Rogue Mortis skin. It's an awesome skin, guys, to purchase. Guys, Brawl Pass is after all definitely worth to buy it, guys. It's definitely worth to buy a Brawl Pass. Guys, it's very, using Brawl Pass you can progress your account like anything, guys. It's very easy to progress your account using Brawl Pass, guys. Yes, guys, even in Clash of Clans, when the Gold Pass came, guys, I got excited. Before the Gold Pass came, I was TH6, guys, and without upgrading anything, I made it TH7, guys. And when the first Gold Pass season came, guys, at the end I was TH8 max. In 1 month, TH8 max. It's a lot. But you have definitely, if you can't purchase something in Brawl Pass, purchase in Brawl Stars, definitely before buying any skins for 170 gems, you go and purchase the Brawl Pass. It will help you to progress your account, guys. I am guaranteed in that. It will easily progress your account, guys. Very easily. Now, guys, before we go into the 3 ways how you can get Brawl Pass for free, guys, I have to mention that, guys, before purchasing the Brawl Pass, you have to go in the shop and use your favorite code, content creator code. It will help them also, guys. Some people don't know about content creator codes even. Some people. Because I am not a content creator, guys. You support your favorite content creator, guys. My favorite content creator is Lex, guys. I'm currently supporting him. I didn't buy anything from the shop, guys. Like top up things. I didn't buy anything like that. But I will soon, guys. At least. I'll try to buy the Brawl Pass, guys. If I buy the Brawl Pass, I'll show in the video too, guys. Now you have to do how to get your Brawl Pass for the 3 ways I mentioned, guys. The first way, if you're a kid and a student, if you could not top up, guys, if you ask your mother, Mom, please can I top up for Brawl Stars for buying a Brawl Pass, any other game, your mother will definitely slap you. I say you don't have to get that. Even I do get a lot of scoldings, guys, for buying the Brawl Pass, but I'll manage, however. You have to do means, guys, as you know, you'll get a 90 gems per. You have to wait, guys, for some time. Like a 2 months, yeah, the 2 months you can wait. Next season you may purchase the Brawl Pass for free, guys. Now you see, guys, at the Brawl Pass you get a 90 gems for free, guys. Yes guys, you get a 90 gems for free guys. You have to save them guys. Don't purchase any skin guys if you want a new brawler next season. I got some leak news guys. Next season Nani the new brawler is gonna come. I don't know but that's true. That brawler's name is Nani or not. We'll cover up about it in next video guys. But you have to save the 2 months. If you save a 90 gems in this season guys and save 90 gems in the other season, if there is 1 day left guys next season, Nani season, and you got all the 60 tiers but you can't buy, if you got all the 60 tiers, if you save gems guys, you could easily purchase the Brawl Pass. Unlocking rewards take how much time? Just a 10 minutes, all rewards. Yes guys, it do take a 10 minutes, that's it guys. You can easily get by that. That's officially easy you can get guys. Next is for some kind of elder student guys, above 18 years. Guys, you do have to download an app called CFA Rewards. Yes guys, this app is available in Apple Store and Google Play Store guys. You could go and type it CFA Rewards. First you have to download it guys and open up the app and log in, register fully guys. It will give you some points guys, which you can collect and make it as, if you give an invite code of anybody guys. I can't do that guys. I'm gonna purchase Brawl Pass. I said I'm not gonna use that method guys, but it is worth guys, and it will work guys. My friend has just checked that only, so I'm saying you method. Use some YouTubers or see the videos about that. Make an invite code guys. They'll give you an invite code. Type the invite code guys. You will get 150 points freely. With that, whatever you want, you could collect guys. Money if you want money or money for the game. You could collect the Google Play Store gift card. The redeem code will come in your email ID guys, which you have registered. From the redeem code, how much points you said, that much money you will get guys. That's one of the good ways to get. The last and final way guys, in India guys, there's an app called MPL guys. Yes guys, Mobile Premier League. If you're a fan of Garena Free Fire guys, you like Garena Free Fire like anything. If you want to make money, if you want to play Garena Free Fire both, that's MPL guys. Go to Google Play Store. I don't know it's available on Apple iStore or not. I don't know, but it's available on Play Store guys. Go and download the MPL app and register guys. You could play some games guys. For the games if you play, they'll give money guys. You could points, money, you can turn into money guys. How much ever you want you could win guys. So it's gonna be not a tough for you guys to do. In that Garena Free Fire is there guys. I do like Garena Free Fire, but now I'm playing Brawl Stars guys. If you like Garena Free Fire, go there and play Garena Free Fire and you make some money for your games for top up. That's the way guys. You could get not only Brawl Pass guys, any pass like PUBG Royal Pass or Garena Free Fire. What pass is there? I forgot guys. Clash of Clans, Gold Pass and Brawl Pass. More games if you want you can top up guys. And you could do with more guys. If you want any other games to see in this channel guys, please comment section below guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon guys. Till next video, bye.